Hi guys! You are watching this video of mine. It means that you are interested in the products I have shown. If you want to buy such best body groomers for men, then you can take any one of your choice from the 5 links given in my video description. I have deeply searched all the types of products available on Amazon and presented the best 5 products for you here. You can save both your time and money by watching this full video and buying the best product of your choice. And subscribe to the channel to get more products you need. Product number 1. Philips Norelco Multi-Groom 7000 Series, MG797049. After using the Philips Norelco Multi-Groom 7000 regularly, I found it to be one of the most complete body groomers available for men. It handles beard, body, head, and even nose hair with ease, thanks to its wide range of attachments. The self-sharpening blades remain sharp for a long time and deliver consistent trimming without pulling. Battery life is excellent and easily lasts weeks on a single charge, which makes it reliable for frequent use. It is waterproof, so cleaning is quick and simple. On the downside, the attachment changes take a little time to get used to, and it costs more than basic groomers. However, when comparing price to features, it offers better long-term value than most options here. If you want one premium device for full body grooming, this is the smartest buy. Product number 2. Philips Norelco OneBlade 360 Face Plus Body. Using the Philips Norelco OneBlade 360 felt very different from traditional trimmers. Its fast-moving blade trims and shaves without cutting too close to the skin, which made it ideal for sensitive areas. I found it especially useful for quick body touch-ups and light beard maintenance. It works well on wet or dry skin and is easy to clean after use. The lightweight design makes it very comfortable to handle, even in tight areas. However, the blades need replacement over time, which increases long-term cost. It also doesn't trim long or thick hair as efficiently as full-size groomers. In terms of price, it sits in the mid-range and is more affordable than premium multi-groom kits, but pricier than budget trimmers. This is a great choice if you want comfort, speed, and skin protection over heavy-duty trimming. Product number 3. Ufree Cordless Beard and Body Trimmer. From personal experience, the Ufree trimmer delivers good performance for its budget-friendly price. It includes multiple attachments for beard, mustache, body, and nose hair, making it suitable for basic grooming needs. The waterproof build allows easy cleaning, and the cordless design with USB charging is convenient for travel. The grip feels comfortable, and the display helps track battery level. That said, the motor is not as powerful as premium brands, so trimming thicker body hair sometimes requires multiple passes. The attachments also feel less durable compared to higher-priced models. Price-wise, this is the most affordable option among the 5 and offers decent value for beginners. If your priority is saving money while still getting a versatile grooming tool, this trimmer is a practical and economical choice. Product number 4. Manscaped Lawnmower 3.0 Plus. The Lawnmower 3.0 Plus is clearly designed with body and groin grooming in mind. I found it very gentle on sensitive skin, and the built-in LED light helped a lot when trimming hard-to-see areas. It performs best for below-the-waist grooming and delivers smooth, comfortable results. The waterproof design allows safe use in the shower and easy cleaning. However, it's not ideal for detailed beard styling or head hair trimming, which limits its overall versatility. Battery life is decent but not exceptional compared to others here. In terms of price, it falls into the mid to high range and costs more than budget trimmers but less than full grooming kits. If your main focus is safe and comfortable body grooming, this product is worth considering. Product number 5. Freedom Grooming Flex Series Electric Groomer. The Freedom Grooming Flex Series impressed me with its flexibility and multi-head system. It works well for body, head, and groin grooming, and the rotary design allows smooth trimming without snagging hair. I found it especially useful for shaving larger areas quickly and comfortably. The waterproof cordless design adds convenience, and the additional attachments increase its overall usefulness. It does feel slightly bulky compared to slimmer trimmers, and it's not ideal for precision beard detailing. However, it performs consistently and is easy to maintain. Price-wise, it sits comfortably between budget and premium options, offering strong value for the features included. Compared to others, it provides one of the best all-in-one grooming experiences at a reasonable cost, making it a solid choice for men who want versatility without overspending.